And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their display artist stand. You can see a little picture here, but outside of that and the fact that it's 2.64 pounds and the measurements here, there's not a lot to show you around the box. So let's open this on up and let's see what we have here. So we have, oh wow, very nice. Okay, nothing else in there, but to include this piece and then everything else is in this nice bag with a nice carrying case and all of that. If I unzip it, we can take everything out of here. So we have the carrying case, and this would of course fold out, and you even have a nice set of instructions to tell you how to do everything. Let me put this together. Just gonna put it in my living room just to show you what it looks like and kind of demonstrate it for you. One moment. All right, and so here is this display artist stand. We have put it completely together, and then of course you're able to just take your piece of art and put it in place. And then, you know, if you were standing on a mountain and you had a beautiful mountain behind you, you'd be able to see that mountain while you're here drawing. This is an old drawing that my daughter did that I put on here. The height is, of course, adjustable. This is the max height, but if you needed it lower because you're shorter, you could take it lower, or maybe if you're sitting in a seat or something like that. But that'll do it for this display artist stand. Thanks again to the company for sending it to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next unboxing and demo. Deuces.